Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rare fish and fish it Roblox. Now, if you really want to maximize your chances of landing rare fish, you want to start by heading to the Lost Isle. From there, you can purchase the diving gear to reach deeper areas. One of the top spots there is the Seabust Stadium. Now, this area is perfect for catching rare fish like jellyfish, and just cast your line and be patient, and you'll start seeing the rare ones pop up. Another amazing location is the treasure room, still in the Lost Isle. You need to dive down a bit to reach it, but once you're there, the fishing opportunities are incredible. The spot gives you some of the highest chances for rare spawns, and it's worth sticking around to farm for a while. Beyond locations, gear really matters. Using high luck rods like the Astral Rod, Angelic Rod, or Hyper Rod dramatically increases your odds of catching rare, mythical, or secret fish. Pets with lock boosts help too. And don't forget to upgrade your gear at Fin Supplies and use specialized baits for even better results. If you combine these with AFK fishing in high value spots like volcanic shores, Mystic Lake, and tropical shoreline, you'll be stacking rare fish faster than you think. So the key is combining the right locations, upgraded gear, and luck boosts. Fish smart, stay patient, and focus on these top spots, and your rare fish collection will grow quickly. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!